Welcome to the chapter, Confusion on the Words Lay and Lie. These two verbs confuse many people because they are similar, but they don't mean the same. Lay means to put something down. It needs an object, something you are laying. For example, she lays the book on the table. The book is the object. Lie means to rest or to recline. It does not need an object. Example, I lie on the bed to rest. So remember, lay equals put something down. Lie equals rest yourself. Lay means to put something down, and you must name what is being laid. Examples. She lays the baby in the crib. Baby is the object. I laid the keys on the desk. Keys are being put down. He lays the cloth on the table. We are laying the mats now. So, remember, lay always needs something to lay. Lie means to rest or to be in a flat position. It does not need an object. Examples. I lie down after lunch. She lay on the sofa. She is resting. They are lying on the grass. The cat lies in the sun. See? Nobody is putting anything down here. The person or animal is just resting. Let's quickly revise. Lay, put something down, needs object. Lie, to rest or recline, no object. Try these. 1. My book's on the floor. Answer, lay. 2. The dog likes to in the shade. Answer, lie. 3. She the baby gently. Answer, laid. 4. He is on the bed. Answer, lying. Well done. Now you understand the difference between lay and lie. Prepared by K. Rajendra Prasad.